Let us understand how to use insert to get data into static partitions in Spark Metastore from existing table called as orders. Let us recap what is covered so far related to partition tables. We have created a table called as orders underscore part with order underscore month of type int as partition column. We have added 4 static partitions for 2013 July, August, September and October using alter table command. Once the table is created and partitions are added, we have pre-processed the data to get data into the partitions using load command. It is not practical to use load command always, because you need to make sure that the files are in sync with whatever table you are trying to load into. We typically use insert via stage table to copy data into partition table. At times we might have to apply several transformations, not just what we are trying to achieve here, which is nothing but the partitioning. There can be file format conversions and so forth. To satisfy all those additional criteria, it is better to use insert via stage table to copy the data into partition table. We can pre-create partitions in partition table and insert data into partitions using appropriate insert command. One need to ensure that required filter condition is applied to get the data relevant to the partition that is being populated. We can also create partitions dynamically, which we will see as part of the next topic. Let's go through the example to understand what I'm talking about here. So in this case, you can connect to the IT Virtual Retail database. You can add additional partition for 2013 November. Earlier we have added partitions for July, August, September and October. Now we have added additional partition for 2013 November. Now we can actually insert data into this table called as orders underscore part into partition order month equal to 2013-11. You can select the data from the stage table. In this case, we are using orders as the stage table, and we can actually specify the filter criteria to get only that data that is supposed to be inserted into this partitioned table, especially the partition 2013 November. Let me also run select count on this table before running this insert command. So I'm saying select count of 1 from orders underscore part. I'll be running after inserting also, that's why I'm copy pasting here. Now let me run this. We have 4 partitions. It will return the count of the data in those 4 partitions in a moment. You can see that the 4 partitions have 18,389 records. Now I'm running this insert command. As part of the insert command, we are only filtering for 2013 November data because the partition which we are trying to populate is related to 2013 November. Now we can run this count command. It should be more than 18,389. Also we can run this hdfs dfs-ls command to actually see all the folders and files that are being created as part of this partition table. We have added 4 partitions earlier and then 5th partition now. The 5th partition is nothing but this one, and you can see that the insert command actually inserted using 2 files. So these 2 are the files which are associated with the partition 2013 November.